Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to use your trailer lock. It looks a little bit complicated, but overall it's not too difficult. So this is kind of how I purchased it. You'll need to tighten your screw there into this little notch here. Alright guys, so since I went ahead and purchased two and I have an extra one, I might as well take advantage of it and put it on my boat. So lift up, slide it in just like so, and then try to clamp that on there. Now it's secure in there. Next thing you do is just slide your front on right just like so. And you should be good to go. There's your spot for your key. And it seems like it's on there well. So a little bit different trailer lock device here. It serves the same purpose, but it's just a different model from the one I showed you earlier. So I'll go ahead and show you how to take it off here. So you turn, and it should just wobble off here. So as such. Okay, so first thing you want to do with this is fit it on there as best way possible. This one's a little bit wider here than the actual bar, the chrome bar here. So best way to do something like this would be it's a neat little device, very handy, very helpful. And there you have it. That's how you just lock this on, and it's on there pretty tight. That's just a little bit different model from the one I showed you earlier, but it shows the same purpose. But yeah, please like and subscribe. So now that I have my ball in there, I'm gonna go ahead and just try the most obvious way here and just go ahead and slide this on. Okay guys, so I think that's it. You just kind of slide it in there, as you can see, and then it's going to end up looking similar to this right here. It should be facing forward, and then make sure that it's on there nice and tight. Seems like it's all the way in there. That's it. It'll help you from